Welcome to the latest innovation from Schogini Toys, the infrared contactless object counter kit. Equipped with a pre-programmed CPU, a 7-segment display, and an infrared sensor module, this kit is a perfect project for school science fairs. You can even integrate it into a custom cardboard model for added fun. Let's get started with this fully pre-wired DIY kit. Open the battery holder, insert 3 AA batteries, and switch on. You'll hear a series of fast beeps. This is the counter gearing up. Wait until the beeping stops. Now, bring your hand, a toy car, or any object near the infrared sensor. Watch as the 7-segment display begins to count. The counter stops at 9 with a beep, indicating you've reached the limit. To restart counting, simply turn the kit off and on again or press the push switch. But that's not all. With the included jumper wires, you can extend the IR sensor as well as the 7-segment display to fit this into a model cardboard box. Imagine creating an amazing object counter for your next school science fair. Prepare to build and learn with our infrared object counter kit. It's a journey filled with building, learning, and, most importantly, fun. Stay tuned to Schogini Toys for more exciting DIY kits. Let's continue to build and create amazing things together.